Hello everybody, welcome to this new unboxing. Today we're gonna do a Dixon Rollerpack. It's a pack that will help you if you need to carry a lot of stuff. In my case, since I do a lot of photo, I want to carry my tripod, my this and that, a lot of stuff, so I need some kind of cart to carry all my stuff. You need to check with your the place you're gonna go hiking, because some parks don't allow cart, but I go anyway. I will go in some park, they will do it. So let's start with the unboxing. I will put in the description the link where you can buy. They have two versions, this small version and the bigger version. With the bigger version you can carry more stuff, but you need to be taller, because it was recommended for people 6 feet tall or more, 7, 8, 9. So I got this one. See? Allora, with this cart they give you also the bag, free bag. Now let's see how it works, because I haven't tried yet. Oh, let's see this one, that one. Oh, okay. Alright, there is a wheel that we need to attach. There is the bill. It costs $340, including shippings. There is the manual. There is the harness, because you have a harness. So then there is more handle. Okay. So I'm going to put everything together and then we'll do a test. As you can see, this is the little brochure included. You can carry, you carry on the back, there is a harness. You can go everywhere you want. There is a diagram here. Okay, let me put everything together and then we'll do a test. It's all done. You can see I attach it. Now we'll do a test outside. Okay, let's do a test outside. I put just random stuff. I'm going camping next week and we'll try it for real. So let's see how it works. Super good. Alright, it works. We have to try in a real hike. Right now the pack 20 pounds, I don't know. You can also detach. You can detach here the harness and just carry around, but after a while it will be uncomfortable, I think. Okay, you go like that. Olé. I saw people buying this for hunting because they can carry the prey on the car. So that's very good. I like it. I like it so far. Ah, there was more strap here. Apparently I missed something. But I like it. They put oh, this strap, anti-slippery things here. There are more hooks here if you want to use bungee jumping. But I'm going to use more bungee jumping for all my stuff. So that's all for now. Hiking in Florida is very hard. But we'll see next time for a camping trip in real test. See you next time. Bye!